So today we're going to be talking about the 5 main points of a PM check for a surface grinder. First main point of your surface grinder PM check will be the hydraulic oil service, where we will drain the oil, replace the filter, and clean out the hydraulic reservoir prior to adding the new oil. Once new oil is added, then checking the hydraulic pressure. Oil is recommended to be changed once a year, as well as the filter at the same time. So we're looking at the age of the oil, as well as the condition of the oil, if there's any possible contamination due to coolant or airborne debris. This is important to preserving the life of the machine and extending the overall accuracy over the life of the machine. Oil type is very important. We always recommend following the factory recommendation for lubrication as well as hydraulic oil. So the second point of your surface grinder PM check will be to check your lube points, flow and drain, making sure that the vertical slideways, ball screw, and V-ways have good oil flow as well as drain to prevent overflow. Maintaining your lubrication system, flow, and drain will increase the overall lifespan of the machine and the accuracies, also preventing electrical and mechanical failures prematurely. The third point of your surface grinder PM check will be a guards off cleaning. All guards will be removed from the machine to clean any debris, buildup, and prevent contamination of your new hydraulic oil, as well as prevent binding and rust out damage to your guarding. In the cleaning portion of the PM service, taking the guards off is very important, as a lot of the contamination points cannot be reached with the sheet metal still installed. A full guards off cleaning should be performed at least once a year with your oil service to prevent debris buildup, rust buildup, binding guarding, as well as rust through on guarding, preventing contamination. The fourth point of your surface grinder PM check will be the electrical inspections. This is where we will check the 5-volt and 24-volt DC power supplies, as well as your coil solenoid ohms, going through the motor amperage checks, as well as the 3-phase 200-volt for your machine control drives. Maintaining regular electrical inspections with every PM check will increase the lifetime of all machine controls, as well as DC power supplies, solenoid, coils, and motors. When incoming voltage is too high, this can cut down on the performance as well as lifespan of your controls and electrical components. If voltage is too low, this may also cut down on efficiency and overall functionality of the controls, contributing to further electrical issues. The fifth point of your surface grinder PM check is to check and re-level the machine, as well as grind in, if necessary, top and bottom of the chuck. This is to prevent any sort of uneven wear and tear in the V-ways, as well as the table surface, any rust buildup or grinding debris that may occur, giving you inaccuracies in the chuck surface. So when necessary, the chuck may need to be removed and table surface inspected for rust and grinding debris buildup that may be leading to inaccuracies in your surface finish, as well as accuracy of parts. We recommend PM checks for all surface grinders annually or biannually, depending on the condition of your surrounding environment. Customers that do not observe a regular PM schedule will often have higher costs associated to replacement parts, labor, and downtime. Another preventive measure may be adding additional filtration to your coolant system, such as magnetic separators and paper filtration. This will keep your coolant cleaner overall, extending life of the coolant, as well as reducing mess, debris buildup within the machine.